Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate thick. Heat whole milk or a milk alternative slowly over low heat and whisk constantly. Whisk in sifted cocoa and a teaspoon of sugar, then stir a cornstarch slurry made with cold water. Continue to simmer gently, whisking until the drink coats the spoon. Finish with a knob of butter or a splash of cream for silkiness and serve immediately. Start by choosing the best ingredients you can find for a simple batch of thick hot chocolate. High-quality cocoa powder or chopped bittersweet chocolate makes all the difference in depth of flavor. Using whole milk or adding some cream gives a luxurious mouthfeel, while a small pinch of salt brightens the sweetness. Adjust sugar gradually and taste as you go so the drink matches your comfort level and sweetness preferences. To get reliably thick hot chocolate, use a few technical tricks that are forgiving but effective. Make a cornstarch slurry with cold water and whisk it into warm milk so you avoid lumps and grainy texture. If using chopped chocolate, temper it by adding a small amount of warm milk first, then whisk in the rest to keep it smooth. Keep the mixture at a gentle simmer so it reduces slightly and becomes luxuriously thick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.